Hi, Carol Church here. We are in the downtown area of Lyman, South Carolina. Lyman is in Spartanburg County, South Carolina. It is a suburb of Greer, South Carolina. It is one of the best places to live in South Carolina. It's quiet, peaceful. There are some mountain views. The population as of 2021 was around 6,321. The schools in Lyman are highly rated. They're very good, and they are going to be building a couple more schools that I've seen, okay? The median home price at this time, according to Redfin, is around $261, okay? And that's as of January 2024. So Mike is going to tell us about this cute little rail trail going on down here. It's kind of short for now, but it's going to be growing.
Okay, this rail trail is actually was a spur owned by the town of Lyman, and they purchased it. Of course, it was coming off the old mill, and they've just recently converted it into a rail trail. It's like half a mile long, which is not much, I know, but there are plans of expanding it and eventually, I believe, connecting it to the other trail systems that are around here. So it's looking, they're moving forward with it. Let's just put it that way.
Yeah.
So yes, as we are walking and driving around the downtown area of Lyman, South Carolina, you will see a few shops and a barber shop, not too many for now, but I'm hopeful that more will be coming soon. We are on Gross Road, and there are plans of a new thing coming up. It's called Pacific Place here in downtown Lyman. So it will be a mixed use development. Right here on this corner, you will see a sign for now. They'll have townhomes, apartments, shops, and a restaurant. So that's pretty awesome. I hope they have plenty of parking also. That'd be helpful. Be sure and be looking for the new Walmart distribution center coming to Lyman, South Carolina 2024. That's exciting. We are heading towards Highway 29, or it's also called Wade Hampton Boulevard. Right in that intersection is a popular eating spot. It's a restaurant called Casa Carry On, Lyman. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it is very good and very popular. So, yes, there's various business establishments here on Gross Road. As you can see, there's, room for growth. We did see, many that are closed down. So if you live out of town, maybe come here and open one up and have your own business close by. How is that? So, some notable places in the area are the GSP International Airport is only 6.9 miles. Greer, right next door, is only 6.2 miles. Spartanburg is only 11.4 miles away, and Greenville is only 15.9 miles away. There's also a couple schools that are being built, and this is a very good school district. In this area, there's a nice library. It's called the Middle Tiger Library, and it is on Gross Road also. And you'll be seeing that it overlooks the River Place Park, which is beautiful. It has a bridge with plenty of benches for just sitting and relaxing, picnic tables, just nice and serene spot there. You'll also be seeing some parks here in Lyman. There's the Park of Lyman. It has a very nice playground and an amphitheater and bathrooms and water fountain. And right next to that is the dog park here in Lyman. It's very nice. Water fountain and plenty of climb on things for the. There's also a beautiful veterans park here on Gross Road also. Very nice. And there's the amphitheater. Very nice playground. I don't know what you call the surface, but it's kind of soft and squishy. And here we are at Lyman Lake. Very, very nice. It's one of our favorite spots around here. You can fish. They have, of course, with a license, they have catfish, largemouth bass, carp, and walleye. And they do have the Lyman Lodge here that can be rented out for events and such. So, if you can see yourself living here in Lyman, South Carolina, if you like small town charm, this may very well be a perfect place for you. Be sure to reach out. We'll be glad to help you out. Thank you.